I'm about to share a smart way to dropship on eBay without risking your account from ever getting banned. By the end of this video, you'll have all of the information you need to start dropshipping on eBay and never worry about your account getting flagged. My name is Trevor McCullum, and first things first, let's briefly understand why some eBay dropshippers face the risk of getting their accounts banned. eBay has strict policies in place to ensure a positive buying experience for their customers. One of their concerns is dropshippers who don't take responsibility for their customer satisfaction, such as delaying shipments or garbage quality products. Now, to avoid such issues, I'll show you a safe approach to eBay dropshipping using a simple website. Step one is to set up your own hosted WordPress website. Now, of course, you can do this on Shopify too, but you won't have the flexibility as I'm about to show you. This gives you full control over your online store and allows you to provide a seamless buying experience for your customers. All you need is a reliable web hosting provider, WordPress, and a domain. Of course, everything mentioned will all be inside of the description below. If you're new to WordPress, hit that subscribe button because I will be creating dropship insights in detail for my upcoming video. Next, you'll need to install an e-commerce plugin for your WordPress website. WooCommerce is a popular plugin that easily connects with WordPress. It provides all of the necessary features for managing an online store, including product listings, shopping carts, and secure payment gateways, and it's completely free, which is how you will receive your money. But because I don't want to go through the long process of setting up an e-commerce payment method, I'm going to use an easier way using North Checkout. North Checkout is not free and would cost you $100 if you decide to purchase it for yourself. But every website I build, get this plugin for free. All you need to do is set up pictures on your website as well as the description of the product. Once that's done, it's time to find suppliers who will ship your product out for you. Look for suppliers on eBay who has already listed what you want to sell on their eBay, so all you have to do is purchase the product through them and have that seller ship it out to your customer. When choosing suppliers, consider the product quality, shipping times, eBay customer reviews, better known as feedback. Now, just because we're not actually selling on eBay, it's still important to keep a positive reputation while dropshipping to ensure your customers receive their orders in a timely manner. When you do get sales, selling that product from your actual website, you don't have to worry about eBay taking 10 to 20% off the top. You pocket 100% of your sales. The old-fashioned way was by posting products on eBay with all of that competition, and then you would have to import their product listings onto your eBay store and figure out descriptions and images and pricing. The cool thing about having your own website to dropship products from eBay is that there is no competition, no percentages is taken off the top, no account banning, no having to fight for the #1 spot in order to get a product sold. And on top of that, you don't have to worry about importing any products onto your e-commerce store. Instead, you will actually be building your own brand. Let's say you just made a sale on your website, and so you go to eBay to the seller who is shipping your product out, but they ran out of products at the last minute. Now, if this was your own eBay account, this would get your account flagged because eBay do not like it when you refund customers because you're out of stock. But check this out. If a seller you work with on eBay ever happens to run out of the product, all you would have to do is go to a different seller on eBay and work a deal with them. Therefore, you're always in stock. It's a win for the eBay seller, it's a win for you as the dropshipper, and it's a win for the customer getting fast quality products. As orders start coming in, it's important to maintain effective communication with your suppliers. Keep them updated on the orders, the shipping addresses, and any special instructions. This ensures smooth order fulfillment and reduces the chances of any errors or delays happening. To enhance the buying experience on your WordPress website, consider customize the design and layout. In other words, make it yours. It's your website. Choose a clean and user-friendly theme that complements your brand. Add high quality product images, clear descriptions, and customer reviews to build trust and credibility with your potential buyers. Lastly, don't forget to promote your WordPress website to drive traffic and generate sales. Use different marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. One of the most popular ways dropshippers are selling their products is through TikTok videos. So don't be afraid to do some digging and get an idea on how you can do it too. Engage your target audience, provide valuable content, encourage them to visit your store. By following these steps, you can engage in eBay dropshipping using WordPress while minimizing the risk of ever getting your eBay account banned. Now, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what kind of products you're thinking about selling. Be sure to subscribe to the channel as I will be teaching you guys more in depth on how to win the dropshipping game, and I'll see you in the next video.